What's the meaning of Black Forest gateau? Black Forest gateau. Black Forest gateau.
Black Forest gateau. Black Forest gateau. Black Forest gateau, also known as Black Forest cake, is a traditional German dessert that originated in the Black Forest region. It is a layered cake made with chocolate sponge cake, whipped cream, and cherries, with a splash of cherry brandy or kish for added flavor. The top of the cake is garnished with more whipped cream, chocolate shavings, and cherries. The cake's name is derived from the region where it was first created, which is known for its dark forests and cherry orchards. Black Forest gateau has become a popular dessert in many parts of the world, and it is often served at special occasions and celebrations.